However, my name is Max. Today I will talk about how elephants communicate. I just saw a TV show. It was about elephants. They make sound. They can communicate, but we cannot hear them. The sounds they make are too low for us to hear. They growl. It sounds like the lumber. It makes the ground shake. Elephants can feel the ground shaking. They know what the other elephants say. Sometimes an elephant says he is lost or he says he is afraid. Sometimes he tells about danger. Elephants communicate with their tongues too. They can touch each other. They can stroke each other. Tell me what is new with you. Thank you for listening.